Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we are going to learn poem, and the name of the poem is Conversation. Do you know the meaning of conversation, children? See, every day you're doing this when you're talking to your mama, when you're talking to your papa, when your parents are talking to each other. Okay, so that is called as conversation. When one person is talking to the other person, it's called as a conversation. It's a poem, children, and it is written by the poet, the Rose Flamen. Okay, let's see now. Can you see in the picture? Yes, the two animals. Okay, children, and here the cat. And can you see a small animal inside the hole? Yes, it's a mouse, right, children? Now let's see what are these two animals are talking about. They are conversing with each other. Let's begin. Yes, conversation. Now, let's begin now. Mousy, now I'm going to read out the first stanza. Mousy, mousy, where is your little wee housey? Now the cat is talking to the mouse, saying, Mousy, mousy, where is your little wee housey? Here is the door under the floor, said Mousy, Mousy. When the cat asked that Mousy, where is your house? So the Mousy said, see, here is the door under the floor, said Mousy, Mousy. देखा आपने कोने में कॉर्नर में a small hole. This is my house. Second stanza. This is the first stanza. Now I'm reading out the second stanza. Mousy, mousy. Now the cat is talking to mouse. May I come into your housey? Now this is cat. Cat is asking, can I come inside? So what does the mousey says? You can't get in. You have to be thin, said Mousy, Mousy. So Mousy said, no, you can't get because my hole is too small. You can't get in. You have to be thin. You are quite fat. You won't be able to enter my house. So the Mousy said, you can't get in. You have to be thin, said Mousy, Mousy. Okay, next now the third one. Again the cat is asking now, Mousy, Mousy, won't you come out of your housey? Now the cat says, now I think she is not allowing me to enter, and neither the mouse is ready to come out, but still let me do a one try. And now the other way around, another question of cat. Now what the cat is asking, won't you come out of your housey, mousey, please ab bahar aao na. Okay, she says, I'm sorry to say I'm busy all day. Sorry, I can't come now. I'm very busy. Okay, said Mousy, Mousy. Now, do you know why did Mousy say so? Yes, can you guess? You know that cat loves mouse. You know? The cat likes to eat mouse. So, mouse could make out that cat is trying to bring me out of the hole so that the cat can have a nice dinner. So that is, see, Mousy has used a sense of humor, the presence of mind, I can say, presence of mind, and did not come out. So this was a conversation. So I want you to listen to a small video, children. Just I'm going to play for you. Hold on.
Here is the door under the floor, said Mousy, Mousy. Mousy, Mousy, may I come into your housey? You can't get in, you have to be thin, said Mousy, Mousy. Mousy, Mousy, won't you come out of your housey? I'm sorry to say, I'm busy all day, said Mousy, Mousy.
Isn't it a good one? Yes, children. Should I play once again for you? I think some.
Mousy, where is your little wee housey? Here is the door under the floor, said Mousy, Mousy. Mousy, Mousy, may I come into your housey? You can't get in, you have to be thin, said Mousy, Mousy. Mousy, Mousy, won't you come out of your housey? I'm sorry to say, I'm busy all day, said Mousy, Mousy.
Oh, that's all, children. I hope you must have understood the poem very well. That's all, children. Please listen and learn the poem. Bye.